What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Jack's Kicks, man. Today we have an unboxing of the Union exclusive Nike Field Generals here, and I'm excited about these. I know this was one of the most controversial releases of this year so far. We got them here today, so let's go ahead and showcase it, and make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to Jack's Kicks if you guys are new. Also subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming, if you guys are interested in Call of Duty, other big games and stuff like that. I got you guys covered over there on Jack's Gaming. But anyways, here it is. We got them in a size 13. We got them in a size 13. It's crazy. I've been getting a lot of size 13s lately, man. The Jumpman Jacks, the University Reds, the Jumpman Jacks, the Sale colorway. I've been getting them all in a size 13. And I had to get a size 13 for this because once these first released, I totally forgot that they even released. I literally totally forgot that these things even released, and then the release was terrible. Like people's cards got charged like 7 times, 8 times, and some people still to this day, July 3rd, people are still saying that they haven't gotten their refunds yet. So that is what's crazy. And then it released the next day, and then I completely forgot that it released. So then once I went there, I saw, oh, size 13 was still sitting, and I guess a lot of people decided, hey, I'm not even going to go for this release anymore because of the charging issues. And so I just went ahead and got them, and it was very simple and came very quickly. Now, there was another colorway. There was the orange colorway. I wasn't the biggest fan of that, but I might pick up the orange colorway because I know there's a black colorway in these dropping very, very soon as well. If I can get my hands on those, then maybe I'll double back and get the orange ones, but those weren't nothing I needed, so I just decided to get the pink and brown ones, as you guys can see here. It's like a locker from a gym, you know what I'm saying? That's really cool. Really nice. It says Nike, got the Union logo, it says Union on there. Here's the side, it says Union with the Nike swoosh. Other side got some Union stickers, and then obviously got size 13 and stuff here. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. Off rip, when you open it up, it says Union was here, and it has like the Union paper, which is really cool. And then on top of that, you get what looks like some stickers, some Union and Nike stickers as well. Look at that. That's really cool. Really nice stuff. And then here's what happens when you open everything up. You guys see the Field Generals right here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check them out. Wow. So here we have it right here, and supposedly these run big, so keep that in mind. So I guess it actually doesn't matter if I got them in a size 13 because I'm a size 14, and I could fit a size 13, but since these do run larger, that is a good sign for me too. So that they run big, so that's pretty good. So I'll definitely take that. So we get like a little stress balls. Yeah, they feel like it feels like a stretch ball. There you go. Here's the Nike logo on it. And here's the Union logo on the other side as well, which is really cool. I mean, you can rock it like this. I'm probably going to take this off because it's going to be clanking. Well, the good thing about this, when you're walking around with it, you're not going to hear the clanking like how you would with the other stuff that normally it gets connected on shoes. Like, yeah, this doesn't make too much noise, but I don't think I want to be walking around with this football on. So I'll probably take this off, but hey, if you want to keep it on, definitely go ahead and keep it on. I know there's people out there that are like, oh, you got to take this stuff off. If there's ever an accessory that comes on a shoe, it's cringy. Like me, honestly, like I don't really care about cringiness. Like just wear what you like to wear. If you want to keep it on like this, go ahead and do it. Don't be embarrassed to do it. Just do it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but me, I'm gonna just keep it off. Don't really care too much about having this on, and we get what looks like, these look like light pink laces. They could be white. I could be tripping, but they look light pink to me. So that's really cool. I just love this colorway a lot. Like this is definitely the best colorway, hands down. Second best is definitely the black ones and then the orange ones. So you got the netting here in a nice little brown. Got a little bit of reddish type of hints to it. Really nice too. You know, you got the yellow on the stitching here. Look at that. That is insane, man. I love the materials on this shoe. This definitely seems like a very comfortable shoe to just wear. You know, this is the type of shoe that I would wear just walking around, just trying to go like grocery shopping or whatever. This is a grocery shopping type of shoe for sure. Like it's just a chill shoe, and it has a nice little style to it. Right here, as you guys can see, the Nike logo right there. Here's the inside as well. Really nice. Here's the bottom. There you guys can see that. Other side. Really cool stuff, man. And here's the back. Got the Nike logo on the back. I thought at first that this was a 3M logo on the back, but I guess not. On the pictures, they made it look like it was 3M, but it's not. It's the same colorway. It's like a matte look on it. So that's really cool, though. Really nice stuff overall. And here is the right shoe that comes with spare laces, and I love it. You guys know me, man. I gotta always say it. Every time I see it, I gotta say it. Yellow/gold is my favorite color of all time. So yellow laces on these things, fire. I might throw on the yellow laces, man. I might throw on these laces as well. These like pinkish, brownish laces alongside with these. I might do that, you know, have this one on the right shoe, this one on the left shoe. We'll see what I do, but I really like the color options on here too. Definitely a unique look on it as well. You guys can see. And it's a very soft shoe. Like I can just see like how like this is gonna be so comfortable to wear. Like I'm gonna be probably rocking these things all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like this is a shoe I can see myself wearing all the time. It's just so comfy feeling already. I haven't even worn it. I already know it's gonna be super comfy, man. This is really cool. Really nice. And let me know, did you guys end up getting the orange ones as well, or did you guys get the orange ones and not these? I definitely want to know what you guys think. Me, like I said, I just wanted to wait. You know, I got these in hand. These look amazing. I'm pretty sure the orange ones are pretty cool as well. Maybe I'll get those down the line, but for now, I definitely like these right now, man. I got the Nike logo right here as well, and same thing on the other shoe as well. But here's a cool little 360. Got the Nike on the back. Got a nice little tab back here too in the pink, which is really cool. And that's the whole shoe right there. Let me know what laces you plan on using for these as well. Definitely want to know. Were you guys going to keep just the default laces? Like I said, they're like pink or white, kind of mixed or whatever, but they look really nice either way. All the lace options look amazing on this shoe. It's the inside. And yeah, that is the shoe. From the box right there to just the shoe styles and everything. Very creative, very nice. I love the uniqueness of this shoe a lot. Really cool stuff, man. I love the Union tab as well. Gotta always mention that as well. You guys see the Union LA tab right there. Really cool stuff right there. Look at that. Perfect. Same thing with this one as well. Shows the same stuff. Really? So yes, like I said, these are Union exclusives. I believe they're still available on the website. I think some sizes are sold out now, so you definitely want to keep that in mind. But on the resale market, these things are definitely not going for much, which is shocking, I guess, because of the whole issues. And it's not really a high in demand shoe as well. You know, it's nothing like a Travis Scott or a Jordan or anything, but it's definitely still really unique, and that's what I really cared about this shoe. I just cared about its uniqueness. That I love the colorway and stuff like that, and I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of wears out of these. Like, I can't wait to wear them. You know, I'm definitely probably going to wear them this week. We'll see what happens, but really nice stuff, man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section down below. And if you guys haven't picked these up and you guys just wanted to see a review first, in my opinion, I think that you guys should definitely cop them. You know what I'm saying? Buy now, regret later. But these, you definitely won't regret, man. You seriously won't. These are definitely something that you definitely want to have in your collection. Just to have, you know, some casual shoes, man. These are definitely nice. You can pull some nice stuff, you know, with these as well, man. When it comes to outfits and stuff, you can definitely do some cool stuff with this. But like I said, yo, let me know in the comment section down below. And here's the bottom for them both. Always got to show the bottom for both pairs as well. Just want to be as detailed as possible for you guys. Right there. Got the hang tag there too. And yeah, and here's the back side. Oh, I definitely want to show this next too. Hold on. Wait, do they both say Nike on the back? Yes, they do. So they both say Nike on the back. Right here. You guys can see there. Just kind of get used to the camera angle. But then also, here's what they look like on the inside together. It says Union and Nike on both of the different shoe insides right there. So that's really cool. Really nice stuff, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a like. Stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys check out my previous unboxings as well. I just released a video, a couple days ago. So make sure you guys check that out as well. Got a lot more videos dropping very, very soon here on Jack's Cakes, man. So I thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the love and support. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And drop a comment. Let me know, like, if you guys have any questions about these. I'll definitely answer them all for you guys as well, man. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.